Customer states, I've been a bit late on some oil changes, but it's not usually that late. I haven't seen an engine with this much oil sludge in a long time.
Oh my god. It's just there's cakes of it. Cakes of it.
That's bad.
Wow. just wow. Oh my god, like
Taste the biscuit.
taste the biscuit.
Just a little tip for everybody: if you hear noise, get it checked out. This was making noise before this happened. There's no way it wasn't. Now the belt shredded and it ruined the alternator. Just get it looked at.
Bit of extra air in this tyre, and the sidewall dry rot makes it even better.
Someone left me a little snacky snack. Goodness. Oh.
This 1987 Bronco came in, and the customer said it cranks but doesn't start. This is what ended up being in the fuel tank. Let me know in the comments what it could be, otherwise I'm wondering if someone tried to destroy it by putting whatever this is into the fuel tank.
Hey, what is this car in here for? Yeah, that engine's cooked.
Here we go. Here's some custom fabrication right here. Nobody's gonna rear end this guy and walk away.
You get that, it ain't going nowhere.
Solid.
This car got towed after getting a flat tyre, and the towing company somehow put a hole in the engine pan. After being called out for it, they simply put JB Weld on it and told the customer they fixed it.
Like new, they said. Okay, 10,000 miles? Yeah, it should be like new. Oh, what's this? What happened here? What's going on here? That looks broken. Oh, wait a minute. Headlight clip broken. Oh, wait. Oh, that bumper don't look like the same color.
Customer stated alignment shop said they may have frame damage, and boy were they right. Customer apparently ran over a tree stump at around 45 miles per hour. Customer states their car has no drive in any gear, but the engine light isn't on. The condition of the clutch explains why.
Now this wear pattern on the sidewalls from being ran flat for a really long time. And you can guess where it failed at. That fancy little wear pattern that it was making on the inside. Don't ride on it, y'all. Replace it while you can.
Looks like this mechanic's going to be working on a steam train today. This customer came in missing quite an important component and then declined any repairs. Some would say it was quite shocking.
Customer states truck dies randomly and sometimes doesn't want to start. Pulled the codes at AutoZone and said they need a fuel pump. I don't think you need a fuel pump, bud. You need the brain for the pump.
Customer states my car keeps getting engine lean codes, and I don't know why.
You just didn't want to admit it.
Got the classic buddy, can do a cheaper brake job right here with both calipers upside down and the left inner pad backwards. I think the most of the worst wiring jobs I've seen are on speaker setups that the customer attempted to tackle themselves, just like this one with terrible routing, different gauges and types of wires throughout, and then of course the most random hardware as well.
That's okay, that's normal.
Customer states shaking in the rear.
Can't say I see anything. What do you guys see?
Customer states the steering has been feeling loose and I can hear it clunking time to time.
zoom in. I want that bolt. That's not even screwed in anymore. Huh?
Toe in. No crank, no start. 2014 Ford Focus, right? So what's the first thing you check on these things? All right, so that's all right. See if it's got juice. Oh yeah, it got juice. Well, I guess that's a diagonal repair. Somewhere in there, we profit, I guess.
Customer states the air compressor keeps tripping the fuse. The mechanic found a fair bit of glitter in the oil and decided to look further and found this insanity. Customer made their own dual exhaust for their truck without checking the clearance to other components.
Lowering this thing down, watch what it does. Yeah, catching on the spring a little bit, bud. Catching on the spring a little bit.
Customer states, ran out of fuel. Valet put diesel in the car. That's gasoline in a diesel, my friends.
Customer states it just needs an oil change. The dust boot was the only thing holding this lower ball joint on.
What the f are those? Bro, there's so many holes. Oh my god. This guy had a flex pipe put in somewhere else. Bro. Oh, it's literally not even connected and almost 90%. Look at this side. That's nothing. Look at this. No, don't touch welders, please.
Customer states, why is there red fluid leaking onto my floor? It's a coolant leak coming from the heater core and can be extremely annoying to get to. Customer states the dealership destroyed my Odyssey. They had taken it in for a battery, spark plug and intake manifold replacement. After the work was completed 30 minutes down the road, the intake exploded and started smoking, eventually catching it on fire. Thankfully, it seems like it's going to be fully covered under the shop's insurance. Customer was doing an oil change and dropped their oil pan finding these non-magnetic chunks in there. These first ones to me look like bearing, but the bigger chunk seems like piston. Either way, I'd be doing a deeper dive on it. This MR2 had just had all the steering rack seals replaced because of a leak, and as you can see, it didn't quite fix it. The highest mileage Kia you've probably ever seen sitting at an insane 505,000 miles. Kia even told the owner they're going to give them a brand new one free of charge within the next few months.
It's a Kia. With the original engine. Look at all that corrosion. Oh my gosh.
Looks like someone had already attempted to fix this wiring looking at the piece of tape, which would have been good to know.
There's definitely two customers that I super enjoy working on their cars. One is the guy that took his car to a mobile mechanic, and two is the guy that tried to do it himself. 2018 Chevy Colorado. Customer states, customer supplied pads for the front. Nothing but the most high quality Chinese part. And then please check rear brakes. He put them on yesterday. Make sure they're right. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say they're probably not right.
I can't even imagine the noise this diff and drive shaft smashing around would have made.
got this Chrysler Pacifica here. Open the hood, and apparently whoever worked on it last must have thought the hood closed a little hard, because this is the hood prop supposed to go into here, in these little hole here, but as you can tell, this is just bound up and smashed into the fender. So they just yam the hood shut. They're like, oh, just keep pushing it, it'll shut. Good to go.
A customer really tried to tell the mechanic that this was a brand new tire. Yeah, maybe 6 years ago or something. Customer states, I would like my heater core replaced, but I guess they wanted to make it a bit harder on the mechanic. I really don't know how you rust belt mechanics deal with vehicles like this. I wouldn't even want to be sitting underneath it on the hoist. It initially came in for a brake complaint, but as you can see, there's quite a few things that need to be addressed.
Hello? Anybody home? Yeah, Rust, you there? Okay. Let's see, we'll go this way. Oh, hi. Hello? Nope, you're there. Okay. Yeah, found you. Yeah, that cross tube's about to fall off. Belong to this world. Some good brake lines. As we come back all the way this way. Oh, that's good. This tube is broken and the exhaust is falling off.
No. Thanks for watching another episode of Mechanical Nightmare. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. We're trying to get 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you have your own clip, you can send it to us on our Google Forms or on our Gmail. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode.